Many people watch video on the basis of a thumbnail. Then if you have good thumbnail, people watch videos. Here I will tell you how you can create such attractive thumbnails and how you can earn $5 to $10 within 20 minutes. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share with friends. Also press bell icon for latest updates. In this video I want to show you how I create a thumbnail for my videos. First of all, I want to show you on Fiverr.com. I already opened gigs that are working on YouTube thumbnail creation and earning money. As you can see, the price of each freelancer started at $5. Some good creators have their price $10. You can find out the same work on other freelance marketplaces. I am not going to waste your time to show websites. You can do this himself. Let's start creating our thumbnails. I am going to open canva.com, www.canva.com. Here you can see animated social media, YouTube thumbnail, videos, Facebook ads, YouTube channel art, logo designing, Facebook cover, posters, presentations. Here all samples are present. These are templates. You can change these templates, convert to your own desire. Here you can see logos, YouTube thumbnail. Here you can see thumbnails, Facebook posts. Here you can select any post and edit this post, change background, change text and anything as you want to change. Here posters, you can redesign these posters. Instagram posts, if you want to create any post for Instagram or any advertisement for Instagram, you can use these templates and create your Instagram posts. YouTube channel art. Channel art, if you want to make your channel attractive, you can create your channel art from here using these templates. Videos, here you can create videos for advertisement or any other use. Here you can see many templates are available. Here presentations, here you can create your presentations. Social media advertisement, here some templates are available for social media marketing. Resumes and many more you can see here. Let's go to our YouTube thumbnail and start working on YouTube thumbnail. Select any thumbnail and start your work. Let's go on see all. First of all, it's blank template. Let's start from blank template. Open this template and you can change only background color. If you want to change any single color, you can change this color. Let's select this one. Now you need text. Click on text, select your heading. Here you can change your heading, MytechPlus. Here you can change your font size 20. Also you can change its color as you wish. Here you can change its font according to your own choice. This one is too much bigger. No. I am going to select this one. I like this. Make this little bigger. Here you can change your text and add more text as you want to edit. You can change font. Change font like this, and also from font area. You can rearrange, you can delete and change everything as you want. You can add photos if you want to add any picture. You can add these pictures also. You can make this smaller. You can also add elements. There are many types of elements you can see here. Some of them are free and some are paid. You can see here it's free, it's also free, and many are paid. Let's bring this woman here. You can use this smaller, also make this smaller. Delete this picture. I don't want to use this picture. You can use these elements as you want to use, and here you can find videos if you want to use any video in your thumbnail. You can use videos from videos. Then background, you can select any background from here or any single color. If you want to use any single color, you can use here these colors. Otherwise you can use background. Only single click on this background, the background will be changed. Here you can see background changed. You can use this, and you can use this. Any background color you want to use. Want to change your text color, you can change. Next one is upload. If you want to upload any picture from your system, your PC, your laptop, you can select picture and upload. The next one, more option. If you want to import picture from Pixel, Pixpay or any other website, Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, you can import pictures from these more options. Let's try to use any template and edit this template. Let's select this one, it's free. Let's select this one, online method. We can change text here. Delete MytechPlus. This one, you can change its font size, everything as you want to change. 92, make this 64, it's bigger. 56, yes, this is better. You can use these font styles also if you want to use any text style, font style. You can use. Let's use this one. Make this small. You also can change this text if you want to change. Let's try to change this picture. Go to photos, select any picture and change. Let's select this one. Here you can change picture also. You can do everything as you want to do with the help of this www.canva.com, and the link is given below in the description. Thanks for watching MytechPlus online earning. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more notification.